Well, can't see much out there in these dark jungles. It's only like 5 minutes before 6. But Jerry just starts screaming in there. And he's right in there. You can hear him right now. All right, let's go see what Jerry's up to. This is actually a clean house. And these are actually clean dogs. Jerry. What's up? Holmes. Homie. What is up, J-Unit? What's up, Holmes? Oh, I know you. Hi, baby. Are you crying? What is he on, friends? Your friends in Harry family?
Let him out, boys.
Ooh. Tubby, out of there. Tubbs, come on. Guys, everyone out, please. Hey, thank you, Tubby. Good boy. Good boy, guys. Nori. Good girl. Not much of a howl today, huh? You're not done yet, huh? Well, what's up, hounds? What's up, everybody? Good morning. Tell our pack family, everybody out there. Our homeboy Jeff, our homeboy Chris, anybody else out there that is a commoner amongst his clan. We know those two for sure, because those two have been around for a long time. And I just about flying. Josh, what are you doing? Trying to trip me up, Holmes?
I think it's Mike Jones.
Oh, Mike Jones, yeah. Mike Jones, yeah. Alright, well, nothing much exciting here. Everybody kind of was like yelling long before we ever got to release time, so that's that. Kitty, get out. Get out. Oh, boys, gotta go sniff the girl. That's the way it is in this house. Those two always up that. Run, Mickey. Run, Mickey. Run. Michaela. Get out. Bubs. It's like, yeah, who was that? Alright. Well, I guess as exciting as it gets. It is kind of exciting because as dirty as my couch looks, the house is clean, so are the dogs. They got shampooed. We took the old shampooer. We nailed them. There's the shampooer. Alright, guys. Well, that's it. Have a good day. Much love to y'all. We're going to get the road on the show. We're out.